story by joining in the action. So you ready? So we're going to stack the straw. Then we're going to lump the clay. So take your clay in one hand and lump it into the other hand. And then it's 1,000 bricks a day. And because it's such hard work building a house and making bricks, we're going to give a big run. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Let's try again. Stack the straw, lump the clay, 1,000 bricks a day. Brilliant. I'll start the story. One day, a shepherd called Moses tending sheep on the mountainside when he saw a burning bush. When he went over to look at it, God spoke to him from the burning bush. God said,
Moses, Moses, I am God. Do not come any closer. Take off your sandals, because this is a special place.
Moses slipped off his sandals and covered his eyes. Who wouldn't? Then God spoke again.
My people are slaves in the land of Egypt. They work long hours making bricks without any pay.
Ready? Stack the straw, lump the clay, 1,000 bricks a day.
Their masters whip them and beat them and mistreat them right up to this very day.
Stack the straw, lump the clay, 1,000 bricks a day.
I care for my people. I hurt when they do. I hear them when they pray.
Stack the straw, lump the clay, 1,000 bricks a day.
They need a friend, Moses. So I'm sending you.
And then God paused. And then God waited. Finally, a shocked Moses said,
Me? How can I stop this bullying and set the people free?
You will not be alone. I will be your special friend, and I will go with you. I will always be with you, come what may.
So Moses said,
Wow. Okay.
Moses went to Egypt and asked the king, who was called Pharaoh, to let the people go. But Pharaoh just laughed. Then he made life even harder for the slaves. They would have to go to the fields to find their own straw and still come back and make the same number of bricks each day. Stack the straw, lump the clay, 1,000 bricks a day. It's not fair, the people cried to Pharaoh. This is your fault, the people cried to Moses.
I just made things worse.
Moses cried to God. Then God said,
I know it looks bad right now, but trust me, Moses. When Pharaoh sees my power, everything will change. There is hope. There will be justice. One day soon this bullying will end, and my people will see that you are really their friend, and that God is their friend too. Then my people will no longer say,
stack the straw, lump the clay, 1,000 bricks a day. Fantastic. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you for your help, and you can read the exciting story of Moses and God setting his people free from slavery in the book of Exodus in the Bible.